blazing and bright. Aster in the morning light. B is for bluebell, blooming so blue. Bluebell waving at you. C is for carnation, curly and red. Carnation nodding its head. D is for daisy, dancing all day. Daisy happy and gay. E is for edelweiss, elegant and bright. Edelweiss, shining so bright. F is for freesia, fresh and fair. Freesia scent in the air. G is for gardenia, glowing in green. Gardenia pretty and clean. H is for hibiscus, huge and tall. Hibiscus smiling at all. I is for iris in color so fun. Iris in a bright light. J is for jasmine, joyful and sweet. J, jasmine, fragrance we meet. K is for kalmia, kind and small. Kalmia growing by the wall. L is for lily, lovely and light. A lily shining so white. M is for marigold, merry and round. Marigold bright on the ground. N is for nasturtium, nice and mint. Nasturtium color so sweet. O is for orchid, open and wide. Inky orchid, beauty inside. P is for peony, pink and proud. Peony singing aloud. Q is for queen's cup, quiet and small. Queen's cup blooming for all. R is for rose, rosy and red. Rose red, veriferous red. S is for sunflower, sunny and tall. Sunflowers running at all. T is for tulip, curly and red. Tulip, a colorful sight. U is for ulex, under the sun. That's having and fun. V is for violet, Abraham blue. Violet waving to you. W is for water lily, white on the ray. Water lily shining away. X is for xeranthemum, X-ray bright hue. Xeranthemum shining through. Y is for yarrow, yellow and light. Yarrow glowing so bright. Z is for zinnia, zigzag and bold. Zinnia petals of gold. A is for amber, aster, shining in the sun. Aster, colors make learning fun. B is for bluebell, blooming bright and blue. B is for bluebell, saying hello to you. C is for crimson, carnation, curly and red. K, carnation, petals widespread. D is for daisy, a dazzling golden sight. D is for daisy, glowing with delight. E is for emerald, edelweiss, gentle and green. Blue edelweiss, soft and clean. F is for fuchsia, freesia, flaming pink and tall. Freesia waving to us all. G is for golden gardenia, glowing like the dawn. Gardenia shining on the lawn. H is for honey, hibiscus, warm like sunset light. Hibiscus, colorful and bright. I is for ivory, iris, icy white and fair. Iris dancing in the air. J is for jade, jasmine, gentle leafy green. Jade, jasmine, prettiest ever seen. just can't be beat. L is for lavender lotus, minor in the sky. A lotus floating softly by. M is for magenta marigold, merry and round. Marigold glowing on the ground. N is for navy nasturtium, nodding in the breeze. Nasturtium, happy as you please. O is for orange orchid, opening so wide. Orchid, beauty found inside. P is for purple peony, puffy as a cloud. Peony, singing bright and loud. Q is for quartz queen's cup, sparkling pale pink. Queen's cup, prettier than you think. R is for ruby rose, welling red and sweet. A rose, a lovely garden treat. S is for silver sunflower, shining tall and bright. Sunflower smiling in the light. T is for teal tulip, twirling in the air. Tulip, dancing everywhere. U is for umber ulex, tiny yellow brown. Who likes flowers all around? V is for violet verbena, violin to the eye. Verbena, waving to the sky. W is for white water lily, drifting soft and slow. Water lily, floating as they glow. X is for xanthic ceranthemum, sunny golden tone. Celanthemum, shining all alone. Y is for yellow yarrow, glowing like the sun. Yarrow, colors full of fun. Z is for zesty zinnia, zigzag bright and bold. Zinnia, a rainbow to behold. blazing and bright. Aster in the morning light. B is for bluebell, blooming so blue. Bluebell waving at you. C is for carnation,